Hey everybody, good morning. Happy Tuesday. I hope everybody's doing good this Tuesday morning. I'm doing great, and you know why I'm here. I'm back to bring you more work from home job opportunities. So I'm not going to waste your time, and if you're interested in any of the jobs, no problem. I make it easy for you. The links to the jobs will be in the description bar. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. So let's get into this job with the company Rebuy Engine, and they're looking for an overnight software support engineer to work full time. And so with this job right here, you're going to be providing technical support for merchants and partners through internal ticketing systems. You'll create new documentation or update existing documentation as required. You'll prepare reports on technical issues that require further investigation or action by other departments within the company. And you'll resolve complex technical issues by analyzing problems, testing solutions, and recommending changes to existing systems. You'll be installing new software and upgrading existing software to ensure that it continues to function properly, and you'll coordinate with other departments within the company to ensure that any issues are addressed quickly and efficiently. You'll also troubleshoot problems with software programs and networks to identify and resolve issues, and suggest improvements in work processes, procedures, or policies to increase efficiency and productivity. They want you to have a bachelor's degree or equivalent work experience that's preferred, a minimum 1 to 3 years of relevant work experience in JavaScript environment, familiarity with front-end frameworks, so React, Vue, and Angular, also excellent CSS skills and exceptional understanding of HTML, understanding of browser development tools for debugging, testing, and optimizing, and understanding of performance SaaS environment, demonstrated excellence in listening and communication, and time management skills and be able to work independently. Now, it would be nice if you had remote work experience, startup experience, SaaS or managed services experience, Lasean and Jira experience, and Scrum and Agile experience, also omni-channel support experience, customer chat. So they are letting us know what the interview process is with this job. So you'll have a 30-minute phone interview where a team member will dive a little deeper into your experience. If you pass the phone interview, you'll then have a panel interview with future team leads and a meeting with the hiring manager, and then a short final interview with the CEO and COO. So it's looking like you're going to have about 4 interviews with this job. You're going to get benefits, of course. Now let's move on to the next job.
So the next job is coming from the company Cloudwave, and this is going to be an overnight job as well. And they're looking for a cloud service administrator 1 to work the night shift. You will get paid $58K per year with this job, and you're going to work Friday through Sunday from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. Central Time. And so you're basically going to ensure that inbound calls and self-service requests are addressed appropriately in a timely manner using excellent communication skills. You'll identify, troubleshoot, and resolve customer and system issues, and utilize standard procedures to perform first-level issue resolution for systems. You will use appropriate tools to track and report problem status and escalate to internal support, vendors, and management within established SLAs. You will follow all issues to resolution, engaging the engineering team as needed, and act as a primary contact for the customer, providing a single point of interaction. You'll produce and maintain technical resolution documentation such as knowledge-based articles on systems, infrastructure, and processes. You will participate in problem and change management as required to ensure the stability of systems and ongoing customer satisfaction, and follow security procedures, standards, and protocols related to all technologies. You're going to also actively monitor all infrastructure and systems and ensure resolution to any monitoring alerts, and work with engineering to resolve any alerts as necessary. You're going to maintain documentation standards and ensure consistency as related to all infrastructure configurations, and maintain technical and operational knowledge of all cloud and technical solutions and group services. You will train, mentor, and develop other support personnel where needed, and work directly with customers. And you're going to be answering support calls from customers periodically and work to resolve their issues. They want you to have 2 years or more progressive experience in supporting a combination of Microsoft and Linux operating systems. VMware, vSphere virtualization is required. 2 or more years of progressive experience in supporting SAN and NAS storage solutions. Deduplication, backup, replication, and restoration technologies are preferred. Working knowledge of Microsoft operating systems, networking concepts, and computer hardware is required, and experience in executing periodic systems, patching, and updates on a regular basis is required. They want you to have extensive background in troubleshooting hardware and application issues on Windows platforms, and an understanding of backup technologies and concepts. Also, experience working with and supporting networking hardware and enterprise monitoring solutions is strongly preferred. 1 or more years of experience in large enterprise healthcare systems, including Meditech, Cerner, McKesson Health Information Systems, medical imaging, PACS, and/or health information exchange is preferred. And experience supporting advanced blade architectures such as Cisco UCS and HP Blade system is preferred. Knowledge of cloud best practices and data center virtualization in multi-tenant environments is preferred, and experience with advanced data center wide virtualization is preferred. They also want you to have education or equivalent experience in ITIL, COVID, and/or HIPAA. That's preferred for this position, and previous customer service call center, help desk, and/or service desk experience is required. And so a bachelor's degree in information management, computer science, or other related field, or an equivalent amount of experience is preferred. Certifications in Microsoft, VMware, storage, A+, Network Plus, and other cloud technologies are considered a plus for this position.
So the next job is coming from the company eHealth, and they're looking for a carrier associate benefit advisor to work seasonally. And so with this job, you have to apply by May 9th. This is going to be full-time but seasonal. And with this job right here, you're going to guide beneficiaries as they navigate one of the most important purchasing decisions of their life, selecting their health insurance coverage. You're going to represent one or more carriers and offer single carrier solutions. You're going to listen, consult, and advise clients over the phone in their health insurance options. Your initial training will provide a springboard into successful career selling health insurance, including preparing you for the state licensing exam. With the remaining 6 weeks of training, they'll get you up and running quickly. This role is going to begin June 23rd and end on December 8th. So as far as what they need from you, you do need to be someone that has the ability to obtain their resident state health insurance license or currently possess an active health insurance license. They would like for you to have previous sales experience or a passion for learning and growing in a sales role, and strong technology skills, and be able to easily navigate between multiple systems, be coachable and teachable, and have a high level of integrity and customer focus. You must be able to work between 5 a.m. and 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and you must be available to work extended hours during the annual enrollment period, which is from October 15th to December 7th. You are going to get benefits with this job, and the pay is going to be $20 an hour. The next job is coming from the company Plansource, and they're looking for a billing analyst to work remotely. And so with this job right here, you're going to assist in processing monthly invoices and remittance summaries to carriers. You'll assist with other duties and projects, which may include review and enhancement of database and processes used in order to increase team efficiencies. You'll complete configuration changes as required for EDI on any of the electronic interfaces, and review employer group data discrepancies, validation, and recalculation reports with project team. You'll reconfigure as necessary to address errors. You're going to provide guidance regarding billing, and also ensure billing support is provided within service level agreements and other contractual requirements. You're going to participate in yearly open enrollment updates and provide client and carrier support, working with both parties to determine and set appropriate billing deadlines and timelines. You'll provide team support for internal quality control reviews, and provide updates and collaborate with launch team to ensure all deadlines are met as expected. You'll support continuous improvement efforts to drive greater efficiency of billing operations, and translate required supporting documentation from employer group or broker into the billing configuration. You'll document any missing requirements or needed clarification, and make decisions on how to improve client relationships and products and implement those suggestions. You're going to also work with the treasury team and clients to handle payment discrepancies or open invoices. They want you to have 1 or more years of SaaS utilization, 1 or more years of experience in benefits administration, including enrollment processing and/or carrier billings. 1 to 3 years of experience in accounting, billing, or equivalent position is required. Be able to act and conduct business as a single point of contact, and also make independent decisions, multitask, work independently, and excellent verbal and written communication, experience in a customer service setting and using Salesforce, and also experience using a web-based benefits platform, and be proficient in Microsoft Office, especially Excel and Word. Okay, everybody, so those are all the jobs that I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave those below. You guys know that I appreciate you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video tomorrow. Good luck to everyone who applies for the jobs.